little bit foggy today. Saturday morning, it's Waveland Clock Tower. Not too many softball players this morning. It's a lot of runners today. It's an organized run. Montrose Harbor. Lots of nice benches you can sit at over here. Yeah, it's something about water. It's very relaxing. It's kind of like looking at a campfire. It's kinetic. Montrose Park Bait Shop. It's a lot of fishermen down here. Today I'm going around the south end of the park on the seawall. The seawall goes out into a spiral jetty. Freaking cold out here today. The kayakers just kind of go out there into the middle of this spiral. They just kind of sit there. I guess it protects them from the waves. Montrose Beach. Got some volleyballers. Here we go. Doggy Beach at the north end of the park. Ow! I thought it was going to be too early for the skateboarders. There's a few of them here. People like Montrose because there's plenty of parking. I like it because I can ride my bike.